For buildings with Daikin mini split systems, the filters provided aren't replaced, they are cleaned. As always, follow district safety standards before opening any doors on the machines. Open the door and remove the filter. Run water directly on the filter until there is no particulate left. Let the filter dry. Reinstall the filter. Follow district safety standards to power the system back up. If you're preparing to sand off wax on any floor, power must be shut off on these systems. Any exhaust fans or HVAC system needs to be off as well before any sanding starts. After floor sanding is complete, any dust in the room must be allowed to settle and vacuumed up before operation of the HVAC system is resumed. Any questions about ensuring all systems are not operating during floor sanding should be directed to your area's custodial specialists.